Family learning brings parents and carers, grandparents into education again. It brings down the barrier between the school gate and the parents.
Mae fe'n cwrs 10 wythnos ar gyfer y rhieni. Mae'r rhieni'n dod mewn i'r ysgol ac yn gweithio gyda'i plentyn, ymarfer sgiliau.
We said, yeah, we'll give it a go. And so that's how we got involved.
The course was very comprehensive, making them aware of money because it's become so invisible now in society because of contactless and everything's just done online.
Karen had somebody in from the Metro Bank who talked to them about money and gave them all a money box at the end with a big M.
Mae ffocws arbennig ar llais y dysgwyr a sut mae'r rhieni'n gallu cyd creu'r cyrsiau gyda ni.
I think going into the school is a good positive outcome. Finding out the way that the school works, I think it develops a sense of community in the school to know other people who are involved in the school.
And the course encouraged them, don't just spend the money. You have it today and you spend it tomorrow. Try and keep it for Easter or the summer holidays.
Nid yn unig mae fe'n cael effaith positif ar hyder y rhieni a hyder i helpu plant nhw gyda'i addysg, a'n enwedig yn ysgolion cyfrwng Cymraeg gyda'r iaith.